guys, welcome back to my channel, Golden Roots. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. This is Boxing Day, Stephen's Day, whatever they call it here, because they say it's Stephen's Day. I've always known it as Boxing Day. I just wanted to show you guys the raw footage of the Microlocs that I installed 2 months ago. It's been 2 months now, and the reason I'm recording in the morning is because this is what I have to deal with every morning. So in case you would like to know and you're going through the same thing, this is how the locks look. Most of the time this comes off, and I pretty much use this. It's a scarf and everything. I'll show you in the video. I don't use a head bonnet because the locks end up in different directions. This makes it easier for me to just use water to kind of get them in the right direction. I think you'll get what I mean in a second, but I wanted to show you guys the texture and how it is. So let's just jump right into the video. So I literally jump into the shower and slightly hydrate my hair. I'm not wetting it, but just slightly hydrate, just to point out. So this is how the hair looks right after coming out of the shower. You can see there's some few droplets, but it's more hydrated than usual, or than the way it was before. Just wanted to show you guys. So it's all falling in the right directions, and I'll show you the back. And the reason I'm showing you guys this footage is because this is my daily get ready with me, especially with my hair. And also I wanted to show you guys when it's wet, and then you see the texture and how it's changed since last video. I don't know if it's focusing, but it's hydrated, y'all. You can see. I just want to show you close up. It's nice and soft, and then sometimes I add oil, not every day. I don't want it to be greasy, but that's really pretty much it. You see, and then you just shake, literally just shake. So guys, I have taken you through the process of how I have my morning routine since 2 months being micro-locked, and I'm hoping that this helps someone out there, because it's an experience. Sometimes you don't know how people kind of take care of their hair. Someone might find it difficult. For me, I actually find it very easy to do, because it's just get up, wet the hair, and that's pretty much it. I'm ready to go. And like I mentioned before, that I add oil. It's just water and oil. It can actually just be a natural oil that you find is okay. Also, if you use rose water, that's fine. I haven't specifically washed or had a wash day because I lock combined. I will show you a picture in my first video. It was showing like really tiny Microlocs, and when I tried, or when I just tried to kind of interlock them, because I hadn't interlocked them at the roots, I found it too difficult because they were too tiny, and maybe I just didn't have the right tool. But I decided that I was going to lock combine like so, but I haven't finished the whole side. I've left the side where I plan to show you guys in another video when I get the time to do that. So I know I don't upload as much, work takes over and family stuff, but I'm trying to make the best effort in 2023. Right now I have a flu. I literally said, let me just create this content. It's been 2 months and people would like to see the texture of the hair, because I get so many compliments now, and it's like they're looking almost like locks already. And as you can see, I have shown you like a 360 on how everything looks. So I just really am excited to see how the hair will look like 6 months from now, and it's bodied, it's fuller. And I'm just gonna show you a clip here where it's just showing the first video I posted. They were more braid like, and now they're looking a bit more textured and getting their own kind of unique shape, you know. So I wanted to share with you guys this video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll be back with another video. I don't want to promise on what, but I will be back in January with another video, and I'm wishing you all a happy new year. Thank you so much for all my subscribers, for those who are commenting, and for all those who are always coming back here. Really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, why are you not subscribing? If you don't want to miss content like this, or if you're interested in Microlocs or DIYs, do subscribe, okay? So until next time, you guys, see ya and happy new year. Bye.